Aquarius, welcome to Unique and Unapologetic Tarot. How's my beautiful queens and handsome kings doing? How you doing? Subscribers, unsubscribers, and cross-watchers, welcome. Yes, I had the hiccups all of a sudden when I got ready to start y'all reading. It's going to be a hiccup in somebody's bullshit. Whatever somebody trying to cause around you, it's going to be a hiccup. My happiness is the direct reflection of my level of faith in the universe. Hey, you have happiness. You reflect against the world. Happiness is your birthright, baby. Somebody finna learn that happiness is your birthright, Aquarius. I'm only taking one of these cards, so what you got? Flirt. Extend your lighthearted energy to others. So ain't nothing wrong with flirting. Flirting is fun. Yeah. Yeah. Because whoever that was on, I told you, somebody finna have some hiccups in whatever they was trying to do to you. It's going to be incompleted. Yeah. Look. It's time for y'all to flirt. After y'all done had disharmony and broke up in relationships and let people go, whether it was lovers or family members, because lovers can be family members too, it ain't always, or it could be in a work, could have been a business partner, whatever. Y'all done had a disharmony in the union, and it's over with. Yeah. And I don't know where all that fear came from. And maybe y'all had an indecision of if you wanted to make this movement or not. But guess what? Whoever had that aggression against y'all they finna realize they got a lost control. And they had lack of direction. Because why? You see, you got light. You got inner guidance. You take your time to meditate. The truth was in you about whoever this motherfucker was. That's why you broke up the union. That's why you broke up the union. And you said ain't no duality in this union. And like I said, whether it was business, lovers, or family, you seen it was one-sided. There was no duality in it. That this person was very aggressive and had a loss of control and a lack of direction. Or you didn't want to go in a direction. You knew the truth. You knew it. You knew that this person was in completion. Yes. You knew, and just, yeah. You seen, yeah. And what did you do? Off with that motherfucking head. I know the truth. I see right through your ass. And I cut out anything that does not belong in my life or around me. You off with their head. That caused them a tower moment, too, when you cut their ass out. Yeah. But you had to cut him out. Because this person was trying to betray you and deceive you. They was a thief. Whether it was a thief of your time, your money, your materials. And they had a mental illness too. This person was trying to burn you out and stress you out. But Four of Swords upside down, that's somebody that's narcissist, psychopathic, sociopathic. That's somebody, to me, that needs to go sit down with a professional. They need to go talk to a therapist. They need to up their medicine. Quit not taking their medicine. Yeah. And if they don't go do it willingly, guess what? There's going to be somebody of authority that's going to make them go do it. Because they're part of a group that's on some bullshit. I hear, going down tonight. Whatever they doing in the darkness. Look, this is dark time around this tower. It's going to be a sudden upheaval, too. Whatever this person is doing, I said it was going to be some hiccups in the shit they was doing. It's going to be some hiccups. It's going to be sudden, too, they go through this shit. Yeah. They did some bad planning, boy. Whoever this was, did some badass planning. They made the wrong choice. And they finna find out. Watch. This person gonna face a judge for some bullshit. Or this institution, prison, mental institution. I told y'all, this person, whatever they trying to do, whatever betrayal and deception they trying to do, it's gonna cause a sudden tower moment for their ass. They gonna get busted. And when they get busted for this motherfucking bad planning and making the wrong choice, they're gonna have to go stand in front of a judge. This is institution. Somebody that traditional. Somebody that go by the laws. Maybe even a pastor. Maybe that therapist. It could be a therapist. It could be a pastor. But it's going to be somebody they going to get counsel from. I'm hearing the judge. But everybody's story different. Maybe this person just going to end up, talking to a therapist and getting their medicine and shit right. Because this person ain't right. This person ain't right. Look. And you bored with their ass. And you refuse to let this person, you turned your back. And now they discontent and they crying over spilled milk because you ain't gonna want their ass. Or they finna be crying over spilled milk because you moving on to other unions. Yeah, this person is. Whatever this person doing to create conflict, it's finna bring theyself bad news. Don't nobody bring me no bad news. Well, they finna get bad news. Because they, instead of procrastinating and making shit right with you, they did some fucked up shit creating conflict. And while they thought they was creating conflict for you, they didn't create a conflict for themselves. And they finna have to face it. They're gonna be on their knees. Begging for forgiveness. This person with their excessive ass pride is bringing their own self punishment. 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 And they can't be part of your legacy. They cannot be part of your legacy. Because they too greedy. And they was trying to steal with it your legacy anyway. Or your inheritance. Some of these people in your home too. Or in your community. Around your home. Your community. Used to live in your home. Yeah. It's time for you to move on. It's time for you to flirt with new people in your life. Time you extend your lighthearted or energy to other people. Because this person ain't shit. Or when you find out this person ain't shit, and they can't be part of your legacy, you gonna leave home. You moving on. Lord, something went in my eye. Yeah, you dropping these burdens. You releasing yourself. Y'all got somebody around y'all that want their cake and eat it too. They're greedy, they're selfish, they're manipulative. They think they're not even sorry for the shit they doing to you either. Because they emotionally immature. This person ain't even sorry that they trying to shatter your dreams. That is disharmony in this relationship. That is broken. They breaking the family up. This person ain't sorry. But you ain't blinded. You see the lesser. You see that they causing you to be in a stalemate. That is a lesser of evil of being in this situation. Okay. You're not blinded about who this is. You're not blinded that this person's envious and jealous of you. You're not. You're not blind. Look, this person, self-centered, financially unstable, got dependencies on you and your money, smothering, it got a lot of insecurities. They're imbalanced. This person is imbalanced. An envious and jealous person to try to do anything. But I hope they know why they trying to do anything. You're not blinded to their bullshit. And it's going to be some hiccups in their shit. And they are. Whoever this person is, is finna learn. They finna learn. They have excessive ass pride. And that excessive ass pride is going to be punishment for it. Like, subscribe, comment. Yeah. They finna receive that bad news. But they brought it upon themselves. Love you, beautiful queens and handsome kings.